up, y'all? It's Josh on TOC Supplies, and today we got a cool video for you. It's another product showcasing, and that is from Koch Chemie, Gummifix. So this is actually a product for your mats that is non-slip. This is a dressing for your mats, finally. All right, so we're gonna be using a Rag Company Pro applicator here, and of course, Gummifix right here. I did lose the little dispensing cap at the front, so if you see this application method, don't freak out. Maybe one more. There you go. So what I'm gonna do here on this clean mat, I'm actually gonna do a little line right in the middle, and I'm actually gonna box this in kind of like a ceramic coating. There we go. And then I'm gonna start to fill this in. Y'all ready for this? Let's go up and down. Now it does look like I'm going to need a little bit more product. Just going to come around to finish up the rest. And there you have it. Koch Chemie Gummifix. Now your mats are protected and they look good. Koch Chemie Gummifix for your mats, non-slip. It's gonna dress it, it's gonna protect it from UV rays and everything else. My name is Josh. Make sure you get Gummifix at TOCSupplies.ca. Peace.